How to turn on or turn off pre-recording for single take in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, swipe across and then go to more. After that, tap on single take. Then at the top here, before you start recording or before you start to use single take, tap on the pre-recording button here to turn it off or switch it on. And once it is turned on, you can tap on the single take shutter button. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off pre-recording for single take in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.